In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the sender name appear in Outlook. If your Outlook inbox is currently showing information in a way that's not ideal for you, this quick setting can make your message list easier to scan. Putting the sender name first helps you immediately see who each email is from, which can be especially useful when you receive a lot of messages throughout the day. The good news is that this adjustment is simple and only takes a moment. Start by opening Outlook and making sure you're on the main screen where you can see your email account and inbox. Once Outlook is open, go to the Mail section. This is the area where your email messages, folders, and inbox settings are managed. From there, click View. The View menu gives you access to display and layout options for your mailbox, so this is where you can customize how your emails appear on screen. After opening View, click View Settings. This will take you into the area where Outlook lets you control the appearance and organization of your messages. Next, click Mail. This brings you into the Mail-specific settings, where you can adjust how your inbox and message list are displayed. Then, click Layout. In the Layout section, you'll find several options that affect the structure and formatting of your email list. Now, scroll down until you reach the Message List Format section. This is the part that controls what information appears first when you're looking at your inbox or other mail folders. Under Message List Format, click Sender Name first. Selecting this option tells Outlook to prioritize the sender's name in the message preview, making it more visible in your list of emails. Once you've selected Sender Name first, click Save to apply the change. After saving, return to your inbox, and you should now see the sender name displayed first in your message list. If you don't notice the change right away, try switching to another folder and then back to your inbox, or give Outlook a moment to refresh. Small display changes like this can make a big difference in how quickly you process email, especially if you rely on sender names to organize your attention. And that's all it takes to make the sender name appear first in Outlook.